Hey guys, this is Rocky, and today I'm very excited to introduce this TB50 battery adapter for Movi Pro. So this is the new version. I have done a lot of improvement for this adapter. Firstly, for example, the quick release knobs to lock the adapter, and I don't need to use any screwdriver. You just lock it, use your hand. So this is very easy. And the big improvement is this, the D-tab output. I put a DC regulator inside. It's very small, but it's very powerful. So now you can use this to power your monitor, wireless transmitter, and even your cinematic camera. And this is a 14.8 voltage output and max 10 amps. So this is very powerful. And the material I use metal, the high efficiency aluminum. So this is very strong and very light. And the setup is also very easy. You firstly need to lose these knobs before you mount it on the Movi Pro. So then just like your battery, just mount it, slide, so mount these knobs. That's it. So the next step, connect the battery, and you can slide it from here, and also you can slide it from here for the middle. And this, the distance is short, you can save some time. And when you take the battery off, you can also choose from here. When you connect the battery will be activated automatically, because there is a board inside, and just communicate with the TB50 battery and turn it on. So this is quite easy. Here is the lock, and when you take the battery off, you can just press this and then slide the battery, and from here and change the battery. It's very easy. So now, okay, two batteries are connected. Let's just turn the Movi Pro on, press. Ta-da! Okay,